How's it going, YouTube?
What's up, everyone? Hiro here, Alvin from First Timers, back with another episode.
Superstar co-host. Yes.
All right.
We are here
today. We are showing a product from AutoXel. It's a trim removal tool kit. It comes with a lot of. It's an 88-piece kit. So,
88
yeah, we're gonna open it and show you what's in it. It was fairly inexpensive, so you know, since in the future we plan on changing the stereo out in the Jeep.
Stereo, shift knob, all that fun stuff.
All those little trim pieces that I don't want to pry with this flathead screwdriver, so
Dang, that's how we do it, bro.
That's the old school way.
First timers for life, screwdrivers.
No,
Dang.
Caveman status.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just decided to get this kit because, you know, why not? Like, we would probably more than likely would use it for a lot of other things too.
Yeah. Well, what we'll do, because since it is an 88-piece set, Hiro will actually show him a little picture over to my left here.
Yep. I'll be on your right.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys right, our left. So as we, so you can kind of see all the pieces that come in this. Just because there are 88 pieces in here. That's pretty gnarly, and we'll actually do a little unboxing of it as well, and we'll actually kind of go over all the tools too. So
cool. We're gonna get to that.
Let's jump in. Woo!
Alright, as I'm opening this toolkit, you would notice already that there's a lot of pieces in this toolkit. 88 pieces to be exact. But you can see everything is pretty organized, everything has a home, if not a bag for it to live in. The first thing that I'm holding right now is a bumper retainer clip. It's pretty universal. It's supposed to fit Hondas, Fords, Dodge, you know, pretty much universal. Now these are called U-shaped removal tools. I don't know exactly what you use them for, but it's good that it's there. So right here we're looking at adhesive cable clips for cars. You can use these to organize wires in your car, like if you're putting a stereo in and you want cables run along a certain area. So what you see right now is a terminal removal kit. It's suitable for automotive, boats, RVs, and trucks. It's very useful if you're into wiring and anything like that that includes wiring to a computer. This is the tool to use. Also, another thing I like about this terminal removal tool is that it's actually built with quality. It's not something that's flimsy that'll bend when you're trying to use it. The handle, it like fits in your finger. Everything just feels right, and I'd say it's a pretty inexpensive, high quality tool. So I'm really happy that this came with it. So what I'm holding right now looks to be, I'm assuming, a clip removal tool. Like all those little plastic clips that have an insert that will fasten when you push it down. That little insert needs to be pulled up in order to pull the whole clip out. I'm assuming that this is what this tool is used for. So what you see me removing right now are called picks. There's many uses for them, like especially when you're trying to remove a vacuum line or a coolant hose on an engine. So I'm happy that this was included in this kit. This is just another retainer clip removal tool, just in the form of pliers instead of a pry bar style. So what you're seeing here, I'm not going to go into too much detail as I've not used any of these tools yet, but it's pretty much stereo removal tools, car trim removal tools, upholstery, fastener removal tools, mainly like a lot of things that you might need when you're trying to do these tasks. Like you like when you're doing it, you'll see one of the tools in this kit that'll work for you. And you know, it comes with everything, so I'm sure you will find what you need in this kit. as I'm showcasing all the removal tools, you can notice right away that each one has a different shape, different thickness, different angle, and a different purpose that I can't say exactly what they are for because I've never used them yet. But I know that if we're taking on a task and we're trying to pry something out, I would definitely check this kit out to see if there's a tool that's specifically made for that task that we're trying to complete. This kit comes with what's called stereo removal tools. They kind of look like little knives, but they're not sharp, and they're pretty sturdy but not sharp, and they come in different shapes and ends, you'll notice. And I've never really saw a need for this in a stereo, but you know, I'm glad that it's included just in case if we were working on the stereo, especially the G35, that if I needed it, hey, at least it's included. If any of you viewers know what these stereo removal tools are for, chime in below, let me know, because I'm very curious, because I've not used something like this. I've always just pulled the stereo out and replaced it with an aftermarket stereo, so I don't know, I'm not sure, like, is this used for pulling out a stereo, or is there some other purpose for these? Let me know in the comments below.
All right. So I hope you guys like that unpackaging of the trim tool removal kit.
Yeah.
Now this actually would have come in handy a couple times already, but we didn't have it. One of them would have actually been on the Project Attack. We were doing actually a spring change out, and if you know ZL1s, they have magnetic ride. So they have two wires that actually go through the center part of the spring and the shock tower, the stress tower itself, and so you have to actually undo the wiring. And this kit actually has that kit to do that, and
it's like a pin removal.
Yeah, tool. So it was one of those things that if we'd have had this, it would have been awesome, but we didn't. So we had to improvise, and obviously, when that video is out and ready, we'll post it up in the right-hand corner for you guys. And yeah. Also, this is going to be come in handy when we do Hiro shift knob,
stereo,
hood,
window motor if we need to.
Yeah.
The door panels can come out with this kit.
So
it's going to have many uses.
Yep. So this is something that I would recommend for anybody to have in their toolboxes. Yep. So yeah, I would actually have to say, first timers thumbs up approval.
Double thumbs up.
Oh yeah, hold on, I'll do 3. So I don't know, you gotta be one of those YouTubers where they have the thumb out sideways and then they just like so but anyway, yeah, it actually looks like it's actually gonna be a very solid kit. Yep. And we'll actually go and you know, show you some videos afterwards and use it. Anyway, guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't
Hit
forget,
that like button.
Yes, like.
Hit that subscribe. Any questions, leave them in the comments below.
Yes, and Instagram and IG and or Instagram and IG.
Instagram,
IG and Facebook, all that
links
fun
are
stuff.
Links are down below.
Yep.
Make sure to follow us there so we can stay connected. We throw our updates in there. mainly anything that's going on with us, we would always put it on there. So if you guys are just watching us on YouTube, you might be missing out on things.
Yeah. So, and also we usually let you guys know what we're doing early.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested to know what's going on and what projects we're working on,
Yep.
go ahead and go to Instagram and Facebook, and we'll actually have some posts and all that fun stuff. of what we're
Pictures,
doing.
stories, and all that.
Woo! Anyway,
Yeah.
guys, later.
All right, peace out,
Later,
guys.
YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Woo.